In this video, I will show you how to add domain name in Namecheap account. So let's get started with the video process. Once we log into Namecheap account, we need to click the profile name in the top bar, and again click the dashboard from this menu. Next, we need to click Hosting List in the left side of the dashboard. And here, we need to click this button to enter cPanel settings page. In cPanel settings page, we need to click Domains under the Domains section, which will bring us to this page. Here, we can find all the domains added in cPanel. To add new domain name, we need to click this Create a New Domain button. And next, we need to add the domain name in this field and click Submit button below. And done, adding the domain name successfully in Namecheap account. You can see under Domains page, the new domain has been set up. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.